I have survived not one, not, oh my God, not two, but yes, count them, three open heart surgeries. And I'm now living my best life in my 40s. Stick around, I'll tell you how. How's it going, everyone? Back at it again. Got some props today. My name's Jay. These are open heart. What they give you, it's a cough buddy. They give you these after you have open heart surgery so you can cough, because oh my God, is it, anyone out there that's had their breast plate opened, and they know that healing, it takes so long, and then you got to cough because you have some mucus and stuff from the surgeries. It is so, this doesn't really even help, to be honest with you. But there's one, there's two, and this one's from Cleveland Clinic. These people right here. Thank you, Cleveland Clinic. And guys, I'm going to say something that's probably going to rub some people wrong, but since you only have the one life here, if you start living for yourself, you want to be healthily selfish. Meaning, you can't take care of anyone else around you or do anything well if you're not taking care of this. You, number one. That includes body and mind. That's the number one thing I learned, I would say, since 2018, when a lot of things changed in my life here. I was at surgery, and I actually had a different surgery, but we'll talk about that another time. Oh my God. But I realized I was mentally weak, especially for a man. I was so used to having some things just kind of done for me, and up here, I was just already like lost. I was already just defeated. I was drinking a lot, like most people. I mean, I was still a happy-go-lucky guy, and I still had my moments of, I would look forward to, but I was one of those people looking at the clock at work, just waiting for it to be over so I could drink, you know what I mean? Even at the gigs, even when I played some gigs, they became work, and shit like that used to be my joy. So if you start to take care of your body and you control what goes in your eyes and what goes in here, so basically what goes in here and what goes in here, and be so selective, and you're going to have to be honest with yourself. I have so many different beliefs I have now that I did 6 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, 3 weeks, I don't know, maybe not 3 weeks ago. Be good to be good to others, but you got to be good to yourself. And that includes exercise. That includes staying mentally fit, reading different opinions, get away from the politics. That shit is fake as fuck. It's all garbage to divide people and make them think that you have a say. The politics is garbage. I don't care what anyone says out there. You want to leave some bad comment? I don't give a shit. That's not going to help you in your day-to-day. It's not. Only you will turn it around, and it starts with a healthy mind and a healthy body. All the surgery I've been through, and I was always told, oh, take it easy, Jay. Now my heart's perfectly fine on the inside. It's fixed. I have a pacemaker. I go every 6 months, and we check everything. But structurally and muscularly, I kept sitting down. I'm thinking, well, maybe I can work out. You know what I mean? And every once in a while, I would think about it, and then I would just say, nah, you don't want to play it safe. And it's so easy to not want to do that. But I hated looking down at my gut and my skinny arms. I had a dad bottom. Like, I had all this fat under here. I just didn't like the way I looked in pictures. I'm on stage all the time, and I didn't want to look at pictures. So one day I was just so pissed. It was probably 2019, after all the dust settled from everything, and I'm just laying on the couch, and I turned 40 years old. And I was just so upset. And then I just started thinking, I started crying. I'm smoking weed, having probably a couple drinks at the time. And then, the one day I laid there, I'm like, you know what? Fuck this. I said, I'm not going to die if I do push-ups. And if I do, I got to die trying. If something happens, I got the phone near me. So the first time I went down, I couldn't even do damn 2 push-ups. I ended up doing the baby push-ups on my knees, or whatever you want to call them, the half push-ups. I did that for a while, and then I slipped off, and then I got some weights. So you're gonna have periods where you do great and you get all into it, and then, like, man, you have a tough day, or work's getting tough, or you have kids, you have obligations, different things. Get back on it. And the one thing you can always control I don't want to hear no excuse. Bananas are cheap. Oatmeal's cheap. There's lots of cheap, good food. You could at least control what goes in here and go for walks. It's the easiest thing everyone can do. Even if it's 15 minutes a day, go for a walk, control what goes in here. And on the days you can do something, do more. Push your body. It will pay you back like you will not believe. I cannot believe I almost have abs, and I'm actually going to show them off, I think, this summer because I am amazed. And I can't believe how far I came. And I want to see other people do the same. So everyone, I hope that, I don't know if I scared you straight. It's not really what I wanted to do is scare you straight, but just make you think, okay? Take a stop, especially now around the holidays. Stop and just think, what's one or two things I can change today? And if one of those things is getting on YouTube, just start. It's super easy. I feel like it's so much fun. I feel alive when I do these videos. And it takes some doing, and I just finally fixed the audio. So I hope you guys can hear better. But that's all. Just do a couple things. And the best thing in life you can do is to blow away your own self. So thanks for sticking around. I'll be here daily for some jokes, stories, inspiration, maybe some guitar playing. In the meantime, be good to the people around you. And most importantly, be good to you.